A proprietary operating system is software that is owned by a company or individual, and the source code is not accessible for users to view, modify, or distribute. Users must typically buy a license or agree to the terms of use. Examples include Microsoft Windows, for example Windows 11, Mac OS for Apple desktops and MacBooks, iOS for iPhones, and iPad OS for iPads. Characteristics of proprietary operating systems include that the source code is hidden from a user and cannot be modified legally. A paid license or subscription is usually required to use the software. It may be maintained and updated by the developer who owns it, and only the developer controls updates and the features that are added or fixed. Advantages of a proprietary operating system include that there's an expectation that it is user-friendly and has been well tested. There may be official support and regular updates for improvements and bug removal. A proprietary operating system is highly compatible with proprietary software such as Microsoft Office or Adobe editing apps. And this type of OS is expected to be stable and secure, with access restricted to system files. Disadvantages of a proprietary operating system include that a paid license to use this OS is often required, which may be expensive. There's also limited customization for users, as the source code cannot be seen or modified, and users rely on the vendor for updates and bug fixes. Some proprietary operating systems are designed to only work on specific hardware, such as iOS only working on iPhones. So who would use this type of operating system? App developers will need to use a proprietary operating system if they're developing applications for a device that requires a specific proprietary OS. For example, if they're creating a game for iPhones, they'll need to use iOS. Another example is a company designing a finance application on desktops with Microsoft Access and Microsoft Excel, so they must use a proprietary operating system like Windows so it can be integrated with these other proprietary applications.